Hi, welcome back. This is Math 7-8, a week at a glance for the week of April 19th, 2021, our one and only hybrid week. So before I get into the math content, I really wanted to make an announcement and make sure that everyone is aware that I will not be returning in person for the remainder of the year. What this means is there's going to be someone substituting in my classroom, but only for supervision. I will continue to be your student's teacher for the remainder of the year. If you do have any questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm more than happy to discuss this. Now, that being said, here's my week at a glance for what is going on in class this week. So I'm going to go to period 3, go into classwork. Now, last class, after our quiz, whether I had your students on Thursday or Friday, they got the video lesson on greatest common factor factoring, okay? Meaning they will be factoring using the greatest common factor. On Monday, I'll do a brief review of the lesson. Monday and Tuesday, I will do a brief review of the lesson. Wednesday will be an asynchronous day. They'll have a little bit more practice to do that day on top of whatever I'm giving on Monday and Tuesday. As you can see, there's a couple worksheets. And then on Thursday and Friday, there will be a quiz. Okay, so there will be a quiz this week. So that's what's going on this week in class. Again, we are covering factoring using the greatest common factor. And there are a few worksheets that will be worked on in preparation of the quiz. Now, in terms of what's happening at JAMS, okay, I did want to go over this with you. I know that you all got an email from Dr. Richardson, and this came up. So in case there's any confusion, I wanted to clear things up. One, for in-person students that will be coming to campus, there are two groups. Students are split by their last names. If your last name starts with any of the letters between A and K, you will be on campus Monday and Tuesday. Now remember, Monday is a block day. Up until this week, it's been a flex day, meaning you've had all classes. However, Monday will be a block day. It will be 135, and this is for everybody. The students that are coming in person on Thursday and Friday, those students will be learning via Zoom from home. The distance learning students will also be learning via Zoom. In fact, if you are going to be in class in person, every class will have a teacher. My class, I will be on Zoom, okay? So if you are in person in my classroom, you will still be learning via Zoom. I apologize for this, but that is how it's going to go until the end of the year. On Wednesday, all students will be staying home. Please figure out what your period 1 is doing. If you have to show up via Zoom, or if your teacher is going to put up a Google form to take attendance, please make sure that you are marked present, okay? Don't miss out on that. I will also have office hours for a few hours. I'm going to post that on my Google Classroom. It'll probably be like last week, okay, where I will have office hours probably for like 2 or 3 hours that day, okay? I'll figure out what times exactly, okay? But I will post that up by tomorrow. Thursday and Friday, so the other students coming in person, Thunder B, this means that your last name starts with the letters between L and Z, okay? You will be showing up Thursday and Friday. Again, Thursdays and Fridays look exactly the same. 135 for Thursday, 246 for Friday, okay? Nothing changes in that regard. The students that came Monday and Tuesday will be staying home and learning via Zoom. The distance learning students will also be learning via Zoom. Please make sure, especially if you're coming to my class and especially if it's towards the end of the day, that your Chromebook is charged. Okay, the only way to really be in my class is via computer. You also know that all of my assignments are online as well, so please make sure that your Chromebooks are fully charged. In terms of what the schedule looks like, this is a copy of the schedule. If you have an AM class, it starts at 8 a.m., Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Again, remember Wednesday is asynchronous. Period 1 is going to start at 9 or 9:30, depending on whether you're coming in person or will be via Zoom. 1 and 2 will be at 9 to 10:20. You'll have nutrition from 10:20 to 10:35 all week. Period 3 and 4 will be from 10:35 to 11:55. You'll have book drop, and then lunch. You'll have advisory thereafter, and then from 1:10 to 2:30 you will have class for your final period of the day, whether it be period 5 or period 6. This will be throughout the whole week except for Wednesday. The last thing I want to cover is, where is Dr. K's classroom? Well, I know that the majority of students usually come in from the main entrance, which is at the bottom. If you see where the athletic field is on the right below that is the 90s. There's a small little arrow pointing to my classroom, which is room 93. It says Dr. K right above it. That is where my classroom is, okay? So the easiest way, if you are coming from the main entrance on 16th Street, which is at the bottom, if you come up the stairs, you see where the main office is, you make a right. Right in front of you, as you go all the way down that hallway, will be the library or computer labs. You're going to make a left. Right as you pass the last computer lab in room 45, there's a little area. You're going to make a right. The gym will be right in front of you. You're going to make a right from where the gym is, go down, back towards 16th Street, and then you're going to make a left and you'll enter the 90s. So the 90s are literally right next to the tennis courts, okay? My room is the only one in the 90s. I have a very special room. My room is the only one in the 90s that has double doors, okay? Please make sure that the second you see that first set of double doors, that you know that that is my classroom, okay? It's the second set of doors. The first door is Miss Duff's room, which is room 92. Mine is right next to it, which is room 93, okay? And that is it. If you end up having any questions regarding any of this, I know it was a lot, please, please, please do not hesitate to contact me, whether it's about me not returning or the content that's being learned this week and or the quiz or what's going on in terms of logistics at JAMS, okay? I will do my best to answer all of your questions. If I can't answer them, I will find the answer for you or point you in the right direction so that you can get the answer that you are looking for, okay? That being said, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and enjoy your week. I will talk to you soon. Enjoy. Thank you.